Hi, I'm Claire and my ordinary job title is Engagement Officer, but in recent weeks I've been redeployed into the Community Support Service. So we're helping lots and lots of different people across Conway. We're getting hundreds of different phone calls every single week. So once those calls come through, they're then sent through to our team and we're able to allocate different errands to other members of staff who have also been redeployed from their ordinary day job, and they're out and about across the whole of Conway collecting prescriptions and doing all sorts of shopping, different food, household essentials, and then getting it out to the most vulnerable people within our communities and making sure that everyone is looked after whilst all this is going on.